right, so for our beautiful young lady here, we're going to do the masseter muscle. You can see that it is a little bit strong here, so we're doing it for aesthetic reason this time. And I already marked, cleaned the area, marked the anterior border. Okay, so we have to stay a little bit, maybe around like almost 1 centimeter behind that, so that we don't get into the risorius muscle and will not affect the mouth muscles. Okay, and then most of the bulk of the muscles actually also lower, so we'll clench. I ask my patient to clench because that will bring the muscle outward, so it's easier to reach. It's not that deep anyways. Okay, we're almost done. I'm gonna do it like this time, 20 units. Okay, so each muscle from the studies will need anywhere between 20 to 38 units. With my patients, most of the time what I do is to inject 20 units and wait between 4 to 6 weeks, and then we can always inject more if needed. And if this, we achieve the goal, then we stop at that. And typically, the Masseter muscle Botox lasts a little bit longer than the aesthetic Botox. The Botox, aesthetic here usually lasts between 3 to 4 months. This, when we get the muscle and we thin it, it lasts like 6, 7, even 8 months, and 6 to 7 months on average. Okay, clench. Okay, the same thing. The border already drew it, and then we stay a little bit behind. We'll inject a little bit more lower. And I'm not sure if you noticed, but as I'm pulling the needle out, I'm injecting at different depth, and that's so I distribute also the medications into different fibers of the muscles to catch as many muscle fibers as possible to get the best results from the injection. Because even like the same amount of 20 units, okay, it depends where and how you inject them, the results will vary. To get the best results, of course, you have to do 20 units in strategic locations. And you can see I'm massaging the area a little bit. This area is okay to massage after the Botox a little bit. You don't have to do it much, but to spread the medication as well. If you have any question, please let me know.